Good morning, children. So, fourth lesson, safety and first aid. In that lesson, yesterday we discussed burns. So, for burns, three types have minor burns, okay, severe burns, chemical burns. Okay, today we are clearly discuss about that. Okay, so burns. For burns, actually we know very well. So for burns means we are using fire. So at our home the fire like boiled water we are keeping the hand, like that electrical shocks, electrical wires we are touching means firecrackers, matchboxes we are using in that matchbox, candles. Okay, so many things have fire items we will get burned. So like minor burns. Okay, first one, minor burns. So if you are getting minor burns means like suddenly our hand or leg, any part we are getting injured by the like candle, we are touching the candle, like suddenly that flow got we get otherwise suddenly in our hand someone poured tea or coffee, hot coffee or tea pouring in our hand, it's by mistake happened, so our hand totally injured. Minor means a little bit. Okay, so here very painful, so we have to pour the water flowing, cold water we are slowly we are pouring the cold water on that like that particular place. So burn happen, no, that particular place we are pouring like that, only the paint substance afterwards we have to remove. So next we have to keep clean the sterilized gauze. So a piece of cloth or sterilized gauze. So afterwards we have to apply the antiseptic lotion or cream also. So simply have to apply the antiseptic lotion or cream. It will be soon, it will get no problem. Afterwards it will okay, be safe. Okay, next we have to pour the cold water. Okay, cold water, and afterwards we have to apply the antiseptic lotion or cream. Okay, antiseptic lotion or cream also. Why? Because we are not applying means it may be infection. It may catch the infections. Some dust and germs also forming in the place. We will get the infection. So that's why we have to clean it. Sterilized gauze or cold water pouring after, we have to apply the antiseptic lotion or cream. Okay, it is very better. Next, if there is not available that particular antiseptic lotion or cream means in our home baking soda and water means we have to make a paste of baking soda. Okay, add some water and make a paste like that baking soda, we have to apply in that particular place. Okay, so next, baking soda, the paste of baking soda, water. Okay, these all are minor burns. Next, severe burns. Okay, severe means severe, heavily. So the totally blisters formed in the place, it's very painful. We must go to the doctor. So before going to the doctor, at our home we have to do something, that is the severe burns. Okay, severe burns. So it burns severely means the blisters forming. So very hot water or firecrackers we burst means our hand totally, the skin totally removed means the blisters forming. So bobble saying no, bobble ochindi skin mottam, like that saying no. So the totally the skin removed means that called blisters. We don't remove the blisters, it happen means no problem. So the blisters forming. Okay, severe burns form the blisters. So blisters. members picking that blisters. So don't pick a blisters. Okay. So if you are picking that blisters means that open blister, maybe it's happened infection. It will cause the infection. So don't pick a blisters. So it will catch the infection. Okay. Open blister. Open blister. It may be cause an open wound. Means we are remove that skin means like totally, wound means like pundu. So that reddish, that looking very fear, looking fear. Some members seeing this, they become fear like that oil. So don't remove that skin. So it may be open blister, open wound. Okay, it turns into open wound. Open wound. So it can get infection. Infection also. So we have to clean the sterilized gauze. Sterilized gauze or a piece of clean cloth. We have to clean it. So sterilized gauze. Sterilized gauze or a clean piece of cloth. Okay. So maybe germs and dust means it can remove. So next. So sometimes the victim heavily that the accident, fire accident means that the victim means that person. Okay, victim. That the victim maybe get shock. Oh my God, like that skin seeing after he may get shock means you have to give warm drinks. Okay, that victim shock, he gets shock means you have to give warm drinks. Okay, warm drink like hot water, like a hot tea or coffee, like that. So like unconscious means you don't give that. If the person maybe get shock like that only, seeing tension, getting tension like that only means you may give the hot drinks means he will be better. Unconscious means you don't give that. Okay, next. Okay, you have to dip that sterilized gauze or that a clean piece of cloth. So a sterilized dip in that sterilized like baking soda, like paste means you have to put in that. Okay, baking soda. Baking soda, the paste. Okay, baking soda with water mixing paste means you have to put in that particular place. Okay, sterilized gauze or a clean piece of cloth, you have to dip in that baking soda paste. Okay, so dip in that sterilized gauze or a paste, piece of a cloth, you have to apply that baking soda paste. But mostly we have to go to the doctor compulsory. It is the final thing. You have at your home properly, you have to do all this. Afterwards you have to send that person doctor. Okay, send to the doctor. So next, chemical burns. Chemical burns like acids. Acids means it's a heavy concentration having that acids. So little bit like acid pour in our hand or legs means the total skin removes. Very danger. In our home also we are cleaning the bathrooms means we are pouring the acids. If you are not wearing the chappal means our legs totally spoiled. Because of the acid it cracked that it totally destroy the skin. So that's why we have to take the precautions when we are cleaning our bathrooms. We have to compulsory wear the chappals as well as gloves means it's very better. So otherwise we are pouring in our hands means the skin totally removes. High concentration having the acids. So when suddenly the acids pour in our hand means you have to flow the water flowing like that only. You are totally very heavily you have to pour the water on that particular place. Okay, so in that very particularly place you have to pour that clean water. Okay, use plenty of water. You are pouring like that or like that only, plenty of water. Okay, plenty of water. So you have to pour the plenty of water on that particular place. The burns caused by the acids means afterwards you have to don't remove like that. So you have to use a sterilized gauze or a clean piece of cloth. So you have to cover it on that particular place. On the spot you have to send to that person to the doctor. Okay, it's very important thing. Okay. Okay. Burns, minor burns, severe burns and chemical burns over. Okay, next. For firefighting. Okay. If there is a fire accident occurred means you have to inform a fire station. The fire engines have no, so very heavily fire buildings burning means you have to, that is called a fire accident. Heavily that fire coming in that building means that is called fire accident. Immediately you have to call the fire station. The fire engines and firefighters, he put off the fire. So next one, if the petrol, if that fire, it may be cause of petrol means in that petrol bunks also fire accidents may be sometimes possible. So petrol fire accident caused means suddenly the petrol man that pouring the petrol in that bike means sometimes we are seeing in the videos in our mobiles, suddenly it's totally bike also burning, sometimes the person also burning. So he are fearing like running. So if the person running means the heavy air coming he are going running like that only, the heavy air also it's touching in that person, that air causes hair that touching that person means it heavily fire increase. So that's why you have to stop that person and you have to pour the sand in that particular person, and mud also have means you have to straw that person in that mud. So means dorlincharam, wax, doing wax, drop. So like atu itu dorlincharam anamata that particular person. Afterwards you have to send to the doctor. Otherwise at our home only the cylinder burns and that suddenly fire accident occurred in our home only means we have to use the thick blanket. So total cover that person thick blanket and get down, and afterwards you have to roll it, dorlincharam. So that particular person you have to totally cover the blankets and do that like this. So it may be put out the fire. It will be safe. Okay. So next. So in our textbooks pictures given, see here like this. So throw sand on the petrol. Okay. So make him roll on the ground. Make him roll on the ground. Sand or mud means we have to pour in that. Cover him with a thick blanket. Here also thick blanket, Hannah. If Next, if your fire has been caused by defective wiring or electrical gadget, sometimes wiring or electrical gadgets we are using means it may be occurred that fire accident. Do not throw water on it. If you are throwing the water means it can burn heavily. In that petrol also we don't use the water. Okay, in that petrol fire accident also occurred means. So this can cause electrocution. So very danger. Immediately turn off the switch of the main. Okay, main switch means the meter totally main switch of that. Okay, smoother the fire by throwing sand. Okay, sand means we have to throw in that person sand. Use a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher we have to use that. Sometimes red color fire extinguishers have in our schools, colleges. Maybe like fire accident occur means they have to use it. It is very safe. So that's why we have to take the precautions and we have to be safe and be happy. So sometimes it's occurred means severe burns, minor burns, like firefights happens, fire accidents happen means we have to do like this. Afterwards we compulsory meet the doctor. Okay, I hope you understand children. Today topic completed. Tomorrow we will see for animal bites like snakes, like dog, okay, like scorpion. Okay, very dangerous animals have means it's very danger to us. Okay, scorpion, snakes, scorpions, like dogs bites. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about that. Then you have to take the homework. Just read today topic.